It is no exaggeration to say that liberty often degenerates into lawlessness. Liberty. In other words, freedom. Many people wish to be free. It is so important for human beings. Of course, under the Constitution of Japan, Japanese nationals have a lot of fundamental human rights. People here have their rights to do anything. Established by the Constitution. Of course, constitutionally, people here can do their favorite activities. This should be the same in other civilized countries. Constitution is fundamental for civilized people who wish to enjoy civilization and culture in the country. However, liberty often degenerates into lawlessness. If you have too much freedom excessively, such freedom affects the quality of living. This means human beings need some sort of integrity. We need to have some sort of discipline to be ruled. Intrinsically speaking, here on this planet, human beings are privileged to be disciplined through experiencing vicissitudes of life. To err is human. That is alright. You commit a mistake. Nobody is perfect. It is alright. You commit a mistake. The point is how you pay attention perfectly. To pay attention perfectly shall be realistic. You can do all the time. You pay attention perfectly in doing any of activities. How do you have improvement every day, every night? Do you need to memorize a lot of pieces of knowledge for you to be better? Of course, knowledge is necessary, but not only yet. Mentally and spiritually, you need to use a lot of time to discipline yourself. This means I'd like you to think of the following. I'd like you to have self-consciousness of your privilege. You are inherently privileged to be disciplined through experiencing trials and tribulations. To live is not easy. Especially to live as a human being is not easy. A human being is a thinking reed. This idea was elaborated by Blaise Pascal. I don't imagine now the greatness of pensée. I'd like you to place yourself in the sphere of pensée. And I'd like you to enjoy thinking necessary matters. You have potential inside. In your individuality, there is the existence of potentiality. Through thinking cerebrally, such potentiality shall be possibility in the future. Everything regarding this matter hinges upon you. Riches have wings. Intellectual fragments have no wings. Those stay in your existence.